Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's still Okachi right here, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're not new, welcome back home. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the perfect high puff. I'm actually working on my hair right now with just leave-in conditioner by Dark and Lovely. This is their corrective leave-in. Just applying a little. My hair is actually very dry, and that's the best way to achieve the best afro puff. My hair is stretched in 2 cornrows, and I'm just applying a little bit of Chebe butter to my hair. I haven't made a Chebe butter by myself, and if you'd like to see me how I achieved this Chebe butter, just comment down below. And I go in with my afro comb, sort of. This is not actually my afro comb, this is my white tooth comb, and then I comb my hair out just to tangle everything and just get everything up. Then I go in with my Gorilla Snot gel. This is actually my bestest gel at the moment. I apply it just to the back of my hair, just to hold any short hairs up, and I go in with my brush just to pull everything and just brush everything up and nice. Then I also apply it to the front of my hair also, just to hold any stubborn, God, this is so jelly, hairs, and just pull everything back. That the afro puff will just be so perfect. I don't really apply a lot because my hair is already really dry. I don't want it drier than normal. And I go in with my satin band. This is actually for my satin scarf that I tore, and I just use to tie my hair. You can tie your hair whatever you want to use. You can use your shoelace, scrunchie, whatever that would work for you. I just adjust my hair to the level I want it. After which I go with my comb just to pull it up, and because I want my hair really big, looking really big, so I just pull it up. My hair is actually very dry, so shrinkage would likely not occur. I just slay my edges. I don't lay, I slay my edges. I lay my edges using the same Gorilla Snot gel and a toothbrush. You can decide not to do this step, but I just decided to do it just to be a little extra. Then I hold it down with a bandana and leave for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry fully. Then I take off the bandana after the 5 or 10 minutes, and boy, was I feeling my hair. I was feeling my edges so much. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and tell your friends to subscribe. And I would see you in my next video. Bye.